There used to be a beautiful garden which was filled with flowers. Among those flowers there was a red rose, and that was the beautiest flower in the garden. But the matter of disappointment was, every flower of the garden used to hate and criticize her. But the red rose used to remain silent. One day, a butterfly who often comes in garden asked to Red Rose, "You are so beautiful, even why all the flowers hate you?" Rose smiled and answered, "I am like a mirror. Whoever sees me sees himself," and passed the comments. Thus I remain silent, because they don't tell bad about me but about themselves. As you saw me and said I'm a beautiful, actually you are a beautiful, because you saw yourself within me. The moral of the story, if you know you are right, then don't care about others' opinion, because it's the nature of the people. What they can't afford, they criticize that. Thus be like a rose, no matter if someone calls you a thorn or Jasmine, because you know what you really are.